Stamp him down to the ground. What do you dirty devil? No man, Kanye, you go on with your thing. May I go over there? I have to rest my body over there. I am blessed. But the man sing be a Jamaican gospel. Somebody tell him what go on. Me nah lie. The man come right out, but he ma cuss bad word though. Ma cuss be bad word right through. Hey! Kanye, Jamaica. What do you know about Jamaica? I am blessed. I am blessed.
Here we go.
Jesus higher. Hey! Me a go over there. Hey! You there? Higher, higher.
Yes, people, so this is a Spice got a concert and she bring her kids. A lot of people go here, so me I say it look like it turned out well if you ask me. Yeah, me never go, but me watch a stream and me think say it turned out was well. So me I say. It's almost 2 hours long, so they was on stage for almost 2 hours, just like a little bit shy of 2 hours, right? Yeah, it was a rather different experience from regular church still. Me never seen nothing like that still, with like 150 people as Spice up on stage. It's so me I say, and everybody are sing at the same time. It's unique. Me not say it bad, me not say it good. Me don't know, it's just different. You know what I mean? From what we used to as church. But you know, I like the fact that them they are trying to sing all Mr. Vegas song and thing. Or them sing Mr. Vegas song. Them sing the I Am Blessed song. Like them sing the first part. You see me, they not really going to like the verses and thing. But them switch it up for them way. And then switch up Junior Gang thing. You know what I mean? Welcome to Jamrock. Yeah, that was kind of cool. I like that. You see me? So it look like Spice have fun. It look like the kids them enjoy it. You saw me, I say, whole heap of people look like they did them, I tell you no. So if anybody else there will go, I want to have footage or whatever I want to send, you know what I mean? Just send it in an inbox so we can, you know, share them up for you and see what go on. Or, you know what I mean, if just more simple than that, just tell us your experience. What was it like for you? Did you like it? Was it what you expected? Was it not what you expected? You see what I say? If you get the opportunity to go to another one, would you go? You know what I mean? A free concert, so we can't do complain or pressure nothing. It was free. You see me? And the major thing more have to know, if before you have an opinion on it and then now afterwards that it's gone, is your opinion different or is it the same? So if you are the one person where I say, yo, Kanye nah do nothing on him nah bring and we don't know what him gonna do and Ray and now you see him just come and sing some song and gone in a 2 hours. Did that change your opinion? Or you still say, yo, you should have come none at all? You see what I say? So please get in the comment section and tell me what you think about this. What you think about Spice going and Spice reaction and everything. And Mr. Vegas did it too, by the way. You see what I say? I never really get film thing, but him did it on in live one night time, so we know same did it. That's good for them a singing song while him did it. You see what I say? So big up Spice, big up Mr. Vegas, and big up everybody. You see what I say? Leave a comment and tell me what I go on. Other than that, if you don't like and follow the page, please like and follow the page. Thank you.